ahead, sure, whatever.
Alright, you're on. Just give me some good shots.
3, 2, 1. Keep holding. I want everyone to tap hands. Back and forth. Try not to shift your weight.
Yep.
As still as possible. Open up your feet. Everyone get a little more balance. Open up. Keep the abs tight every time you pick up a hand. Back and forth. Back and forth. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Move up to the bigger circle. Let's go push-ups up top here. On your toes. Chest in between your thumbs. Down. We're going 30. 2, 3. Make it feel like your hands are on the floor. Don't go further than your wrists. Stop right at your thumbs. Elbows are 45 degrees from your body. 20 more. Here we go. My count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 11. Come on, stay with me. 12. Going to 20. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Everyone keep that same stance. Put your left foot inside that little rectangular area. Take your right foot, squat it, and reach that foot back across your body. Behind you. Sit down on that left hip. Squats. Right here. Every time we go down, right foot, regular squat. Keep going. Reach back behind. Make sure you're going to the side, not straight back.
Go ahead, you're good. Just move it.
5 more. We're switching legs. 2, 3.
Sorry, Britt. So sorry. I'm not here.
4, 5.